So the first one we have is napildi, right? Pildi, which means to lose in a game or a contest, or to lose in some sort of competition, right? Easy. Uh, namungkag, right? The root word is bungkag, and this means to take something apart or to be to deconstruct something, to disassemble something. You're just taking things apart. You're unloading something. You're taking things out of a box or taking things out of a container. You're gonna disassemble it, something like that, right? Burot is to engorge something round. Like, let's say you're gonna blow up a balloon or blow up a soccer ball or some sort of ball or something. It has to be round. I think I mentioned this already, but it's gonna enlarge. It's gonna make something large and round. Like a belly. Like if you put air in your belly or in your stomach, it's gonna engorge, and that's burot, right? Bauyok means mumps, right? So mumps, it's a disease. You can Google that. Uh, Amen is a sign of respect to the elders. So this is where you take the hand, the back side of your hand, and you put it towards the elders. Or you take, I'm sorry, you take the back side of the hand of an elder and you put it on your forehead, right? And that's what it's called, amin, right? Um, and it's just a sign of respect. It's a cultural thing. Uh, Agakon or agak is the root word, is to give a helping hand, right? To lend support and to lend some guidance, right? To guide somebody, to give a helping hand or lend support to somebody. The next word we have is hait, and hait means something that's sharp edged, right? Sharp edged or point, a sharp point, right? Or something sharp. Usually hait can be like the sharp edge, right? This is the main thing, sharp edge. So it's something long but it's sharp. So it can be like a knife or a sharp ridge, right? It's continuous. It's like a sharp ridge, something that's long and sharp edge, right? Now, if it's just a single point, like the single point, it's just talinis, right? Talinis, and it's like a single point like this. It's a sharp point on the pen. So it's just a point that's sharp, or a needle, right? A needle, or like a screw, right? Tornillo. Lampas is lapas. Uyog is to shake something back and forth, right? Uyog, like that, right? And kurog is to shake something by itself, like it's just shaking itself. Something is just shaking by itself. Now, kurog, maybe it was caused from an earthquake or something, right? But something was just shaking, and or shivering is the best example I can say. Like shiver, kurog is you're shaking and shivering, yeah, because it's caused by something. Sukol is to fight back or snap against, to retaliate, right? You're going to react against something, you're going to stand up against something because you're fighting back. And finally, pagpagabana. Okay, so pagpagabana is to become a husband or to be a husband.